Hey Algebra, just wanted to give you a quick overview of homework just in case you're kind of confused and you're not sure what to do. So just a reminder, linear equations and exponential functions are written f of x equals mx plus b, or f of x a times b to the x power. You knowing exponential functions have a exponent here. So your homework, what you did in class was group work, and with your graphing calculator, you determine which graph match these 7 bullet points. Okay. What you're gonna do, and we went over them in class. That for the first one it is graph G, for the second one it's graph H, and then so on. If you don't have them correct, please pause the video and make sure that you correct them on your paper. It's very key when you do your homework and then when we go over it in class. Now, your homework is to take those 7 graphs and functions. They're made up of various things. Some are increasing, decreasing, or constant, or a combination. You're going to figure out what 2 groups, okay? You're going to sort them in 2 groups based on equation representing the function. I just went ahead and reviewed the 2 different types of functions we have. So group 1 should be linear and group 2 should be exponential. What is the same about all the functions in each group and what is different? Okay, that is what you're going to do for 3. And then for 4 and 5, using this definition again, and how you separated your groups, you're going to determine which one they go in place. So I hope this outline of homework helps you. I know some students think they needed a graphing calculator. As long as you have the graphs labeled correctly from what you did in group work, you'll be fine. You can always rewind the video, go back to that. Separate them based on what you're looking at, and then you are going to go back and identify which group is linear and which group is exponential.